Hey, what's up everyone? Today I have the Sketch Steam tattoo machine. It's from the AI Tenitas. It's powered by Faulhaber. So let's do a quick unboxing. So here we have the manuals and also the spec. Comes with the cable, which is Type C. And here we have the machine. Hold on. Here we have the machine. The build quality is pretty solid, like very top quality of tattoo machine. Also said here powered by Faulhaber. So let's turn it on. So it's looking like that. Alright, so I've been using this machine for like 2 months now. As you can hear the sound. And we try to open up the battery. So it looks like this. So here they have like 4 connections to the battery. I think they use all the cable, the connection on the Faulhaber motor, because they usually have like 4 connections. So let me check on the description. So the length of this machine is 125 millimeters, and the diameter is 32 to 34 millimeters. They use Faulhaber brushless TZ motor in it. Has a power of 3 watts. And actually 3 watts is not really that big of a power if I use like big tattoos, because I used to do big tattoos. And yeah, I think the 3 watts motor is not really that strong in my taste. And the stroke is 4, as you can see here, 4 millimeters. And they put here operating temperature is 10 Celsius to 40 degrees. And I can feel when I use it for long, it starts to feel like pretty warm, like close to 35 maybe. And the frequency here is start from 27 at the lower voltage to 168 at the maximum voltage. And the battery life is around 4 to 5 hours at 8 volts, 8.5 or 9. And it has a 2000 milliamp battery, which is big, but I don't know why the battery life is very short, you know, like it's not enough for a full day session. And yeah, that's the quick review of the description for this tattoo machine. And I will show you my work when I use this machine later in the video. But honestly, it's a good machine, but it's pretty soft in my taste. And it doesn't have the click grips. It slides like this, as you can see. So this is the inside. Look like that. and it said present by AA Tenitas. If you want to know more about this machine, you can ask on the comments down below, or you can check also my Instagram page. You can DM me from there, and also you can see my work over there too, and you can check right here. You have also the stickers from Tenitas and Faulhaber. Well, let's talk about the Faulhaber motor a little bit, because Faulhaber motor is the best motor you can find at the moment. Yeah, I think it's the best one I've ever used. But I don't know why they choose to put the 3 watts motor inside this. I don't know, because I think 3 watts motor is not really decent. Well, but it could do the job, like small jobs, smaller jobs. But the thing that makes me wondering why, if it's 3 motors, like 3 watts motors, it's why is draining the battery so quickly, you know, like if you use like 9 watts of motor, probably that makes sense if the battery life is pretty short, but this is 3 watts motor and it's draining the battery life pretty fast. Like, I don't know, probably because they use all the connection here, because all the companies like FK Irons or Injectas use only 2 connections for the battery, you know. Well, hopefully in the future they will make more reliable the battery life and also better watts in the motor, like bigger watts. Hopefully, yeah, because I really like this machine, especially from the price, which is $299 US dollar, and if you want to buy the spare battery, it's gonna cost you $69 US dollar, because it comes only with a single battery, so you need to buy one spare battery if you like the machine. If you work for long hours a day, like full day sessions, I think it's not gonna enough. But if you use only like lower voltage, I think it's gonna work. Like it's gonna last you a day, a full day, or probably 2 days. But if I use it at 9 volts, 8.5, something like that, which is pretty high volt, you know, because I do big jobs, like big tattoos. So, and also with the vibration, it has quite a lot of vibration here. Like if you use like big, like high voltage, for example, I use 8.5 here, as you can see, and it's not even reaching 100 hertz. I think the RPM here is pretty low on this motor, and that's why I use like 9 usually for bigger tattoos, for getting a smoother shade, because it also have the 4mm stroke. As you can hear, it's pretty, it's not loud, but it's not quiet also, but the vibration, I think, is a bit annoying. It's a bit annoying, but if you use it like lower voltage, like 7.1 or 7 or 7.5, I think that's okay, right? Well, honest opinion, for me, I think it's not really my type of tattoo machine. That's it. Right, guys, thank you for watching. See you for the next tattoo machine that I will review. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have questions, just comment down below. Thank you.